This is a Ford Mustang.
This is a Ford Bronco.
And now these are their long-lost
Pedal power cousins, the Ford e-bikes.
You ever look at your Mustang and think, man, I wish this thing had some pedals?
Probably not. Or see this beautiful Bronco and go, how can I take this into a bike lane legally?
Definitely not.
No? Well, too bad. Ford did it anyways.
So today we're going to be going over the all-new Ford e-bikes because apparently built fast and built wild now come with a charger, a chain, and drive modes. Now, what even is a Ford e-bike? Ford partnered with e-bike manufacturer N+, which is basically the Tesla of e-bikes, to bring you a 2-pedal assist monster that looks like something out of Mad Max and Mountain Dew.
Go get me a bottle.
The Ford Mustang e-bike is like the dark horse of the sidewalk. It's got the super sleek design and enough battery power to make your neighbor's Huffy look like a Fisher-Price store. These things come fully loaded. I'm talking fat tires, suspension that's more advanced than what came on my first car, and design elements pulled straight from Ford's big boy toys.
Pause.
I'm talking about the actual Mustang and Bronco, Caleb. All right, let's talk about some specs on the Mustang e-bike. We're talking it's got a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, a range of 60 miles depending on how hard you push it. The battery is a 750 watt an hour battery, which is enough to power your phone for 2 weeks, and I'm pretty sure it's equivalent to 1 horsepower. In the brake department, we have 4 piston hydraulic brakes because safety. Looks are 10 out of 10. It's basically a Mach-E if it ditched the doors and got a gym membership. This isn't the bike for the dad going to Whole Foods. This is the bike for the guy who wants to roast the guy on the electric scooter going to Whole Foods. The Mustang e-bike starts at $4,000 MSRP. For an additional $390, customers can choose from 10 additional color options beyond the standard carbonized gray metallic. There's also a limited edition available. The Mustang 60th Anniversary Edition will be available exclusively through Ford dealers in limited quantities. So if you want one, grab one now.
The Mustang e-bike is built for the streets. The Bronco e-bike is built for all trades. Ford put chunky tires, amazing suspension, and they also were inspired with this motorcycle style seating. Yo, is that a monkey rally? All right, so let's talk about the specs. The top speed you get on the bike is 28 miles an hour with pedal assist. The range you get is 60 miles with the power in the Bronco bike being 750 watts. And you get the 4 piston hydraulic brakes.
The Bronco e-bike starts at $4,500 MSRP. For an additional $390, customers can choose between 10 different additional colors beyond the standardized Area 51.
You might be thinking, Ford's a car company. Why are they making e-bikes?
Here's the thing, think micro-mobility, last-minute commutes, urban travel, or just avoiding parking at Trader Joe's.
If you're a real Ford fan or someone with actual style, this bike's for you. So stop pedaling like a peasant and get yourself a Mustang or Bronco e-bike.
Hey, you heard the man. Get you an e-bike.
Go get yourself one. Right here. It got an amazing bell and everything. Go get one.
I'm Brian,
I'm Caleb.
and I'm pretty sure this goes without saying,
We got e-bikes.
for sale right here at Leif Johnson Ford of Austin. So come check us out.
You love that Leaf?
You wanna run it?
Yeah, let's go.
Ooh.